Hello everyone, this is a lace wig installation. So I'm using the bold cap method, and yes, I'm gluing down the bold cap, and I'm using bolded liquid gold to kind of seal in the edges, and that is really good for sealing the edges. So the customer has a old wig, so that's what I'm installing today. So I don't have the color of a bold cap, the color that matches a bold cap, so I'm using some powder to kind of do the shade. So that's a skin protect for our skin, just to give her that extra security in case if she has like sensitive skin, and of course to give it an extra hold as well. When you use the skin protect, it's just help to hold the glue much firmer. So this is like an old wig I'm using, she's using, so she has used this favorite time. We've washed it and tried to customize the edges as well, and cut some excess lace. Is the HD lace, so that's what I'm installing today. So I've applied the glue, so now I'm laying down the lace, because it's an old lace, so it's a bit tricky, but we got it right at the end. It looks so much like a hairline. So the little pieces that did not stick down, so I'm applying, using tail of the comb to apply extra glue to it to kind of stick it down. So applying a used old lace can be a bit tricky because it's not new and all that. So I'm applying the mousse to lay down the hair, do a bit of baby hair. I'm not really a fan of baby hair, but the customer likes it, so I'm using the hairband. So she's going on the dryer to lay down the edges properly. This is the finished look. I've straightened it and I've tongued it. Obviously a very happy customer. Can see the edges, even though it's a whole wig, we laid it well.